Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to West LA Computer Expert. Today, we're diving into a topic that's plagued many Windows users, the dreaded shutdown mystery. Have you ever tried to shut down your PC only to have it linger? In an endless loop, refuse to power down or just plain ignore your command? Well, you're not alone. But fear not, because today we're going to solve this mystery together. First off, let's understand why this happens. The shutdown process in Windows isn't just a simple command. It's a series of steps where the system ensures all applications are closed, data is saved, and services are stopped properly. When something interrupts this process, the shutdown can stall. So what's causing these interruptions? Here are the top culprits and how to deal with them. Number one on our list is background processes and services. Sometimes an app or a service running in the background refuses to close. To find out which one, open Task Manager by pressing Ctrl+Shift+ESC. Look for any unresponsive tasks and end them manually. Be cautious with this step. Only end tasks you recognize and are sure won't disrupt your system. Next, let's talk about updates. Windows loves to update, often at the most inconvenient times. Pending updates can sometimes delay shutdown. Make sure your system is fully updated. Go to Settings Update and Security Windows Update. Ensure you're up to date. And if an update is in progress, let it finish before shutting down. Third on our list is Fast Startup. While it's designed to make your PC boot faster, it can also cause shutdown issues. To disable it, go to Control Panel Power Options. Choose what the power buttons do. Change settings that are currently unavailable and uncheck Turn on Fast Startup. This might slightly increase your boot time, but it can solve your shutdown woes. Another common cause is driver issues. Outdated or corrupt drivers can interfere with shutdown. Make sure all your drivers are up to date. You can do this manually through Device Manager, or use a reliable driver update tool. Regularly updating your drivers keeps your system running smoothly and helps avoid shutdown problems. And finally, let's not forget about malware. Malicious software can wreak havoc on your system, including preventing shutdown. Run a full system scan using your antivirus software to ensure your PC is clean. Keep your antivirus updated and perform regular scans to protect your system. So there you have it. These steps should help you avoid the Windows shutdown mystery. Remember, keeping your system updated, clean, and free of unnecessary background processes is key to smooth operation. Until next time, happy computing.